Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign up in Adobe Lightroom or create account. So it's a very quick and simple step. All you have to do is follow along and let's dive right in. Let's tap into the Google Chrome and at the search bar let's tap in Adobe Lightroom. It's already here, so let's tap in that and scroll all the way down and you can see this. So it's loading. So let's tap into the sign in option that's at the right top corner. And since I'm assuming you don't have an account, so in order to sign up, you have to create an account. So you can see create an account option that is literally written in blue lettering. So let's tap in there. And there is various options from which you can create an account. You can either type in your email address, password, the drill. You can sign in like that, or you can simply choose any of the option. Like at the top you can see icons of Google, Facebook, Apple, Microsoft, even Line. So let's tap into Google. I'm choosing Google to create an account. Slow day, it may take a while depending on your Wi-Fi connection. And there you go, it says welcome to Adobe. That's it for today's video. This is how you sign up to Adobe Lightroom. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in the next video.